So, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And in today's episode, we are going to design a beautiful church flyer. But before I introduce you, or before we go to the classroom, this is my channel, and all what we do here is a graphic design step by step. We give free PSD file. We do a lot of stuffs here in which you can learn from us. And once again, this is my seller store in which everything that you need is in here. I have page 1, page 2, page 3, and even the next page are there. This include church flyers and wedding invitation card, everything in which is a graphic design in which you need. I have them here. I've updated it and it's huge. It's huge. Once again, the price too are also affordable. Yes, the price are affordable, very, very affordable, in which you can purchase the PSD file or you can make your order, then I'll send it to you. All you need to do is to just edit the informations and put your details over there. Yes, you can edit them and put your information by the end. These are also, as I said, the videos are here. Most of them videos are here. You can just go there or you can come here and come and learn them how to do it. But if you want a quick job, then I recommend this one for you, whereby you can easily get it without facing a lot of challenges. Okay, then I have PSD bundles as well, in which they are all for sale. PSD bundle, this is a part 1, and I think part 2 is also coming. Yes, part 2 is huge. Yes, part 1 is this. Now if you want to make an order, example, you just click on this and then buy now. After buying now, you have to make the details payment, 20 cedis just, and I think if you are outside Ghana, it's about $3 or $4. Yeah, not too huge like that. Just pay either any of this method that you want to use to pay. You can pay it and get your details. I'm going to finish paying it to give you a link for you to download. That link will be directed directly to me, and I'll have the message, a confirmation message that you have made payment. Therefore, I need to send you what I will send you. Now, let's go here. This is what you want to design. So let's make it brief. It's very, very simple, quick and easy. Okay, I've arranged them as background, logo, 3D text, theme, date and more, image and names, and then the color lookup nicely. So without wasting much time, Control N on your keyboard. Yes, then we are going to choose the size as 900 by 1080. So 900 by 1080. Then I'll write the title, voice of the prophet. Okay, so voice of the prophet. Okay, so everything is okay. I'll click on create. Boom, then I'll have this. Let me unlock this one, or better so you can leave it. Now I have my resources file. Okay, the resources file. So the resources file used for the design. Okay, so the resources file used for the design is here. I'll just drag it nicely and then drag it and then send it to Photoshop. Boom, and then you wait for it to load. Always wait for it to load. Yes, always make sure you wait for it to load. Okay, wait for it to load. Sometimes it delays, sometimes it comes quick. So once it's done like this, hold Alt and hold the edge here and scale it a bit to cover the entire screen. Press enter on the keyboard. Go to filter and then go to blur, Gaussian blur. All right, and blur it like, let's say 20 pixels, and let's see, 20 pixels is okay. So press enter and then just close it this way. Now go to the adjustment layer. All right, adjustment, create new fill or adjustment layer, then select color lookup. All right, you select color lookup, open it, and then go and import your color lookup at that side. So here my color lookup is here. Which one am I using? Let's go to this, good morning. Okay, all right, so perfect. No, we are not using that. So let's go to this, going for a walk. So click on it and boom, that's awesome, that's awesome, that's awesome. So put the three of them into a group, Control G, and then name it BG. Okay, so meaning the background. Okay, now we are done. Let's check the logo, the church logo. So where is it? This one, we drag it into Photoshop nicely and then release it. Okay, now it has a white background. Let's clear it off first. So right click it and then rasterize layer, hit W on the keyboard. It will activate this magic 1 2. Okay, then hit add any of the white background, click on delete, then Control D to deselect it, then on the keyboard again, Control T, select it, and then reduce the size. Okay, reduce the size, then push it to the side, and then you write the name. Okay, you write the name. So I have the names here. I'll just push it to this side, and then I'll release it here. Better still, you can also write them one after the other if you want to, but I want it to be very fast and quick. I don't want to waste time. Okay, so this and this, Control G, then call it what? Logo. Okay, so logo is done, and then let's see the next thing. So we introduce the names and the images. Okay, so based on that, let me bring it quickly. Okay, let me bring it quickly. So where is it? The names and the images. Okay, so let me just select all ones this way and then push it to this side. Alright, so the names and the image is also set and done like this. So put it in a group. Now let's see the names of the other one. If you check the width, the font of the width, let me go and give it to you. It's Bastilga font, Bastilga 1 font. Okay, that is for the width. And then the real names, I use Time New Roman. So these are the two fonts I use for the names. Okay, whilst the image, I've worked on it thoroughly. Using Topaz and yes, Topaz and Camera Raw, other things. So I've worked on it, and if you want a comprehensive tutorial, just link up and then I'll guide you. So names and images. Okay, so that is also set. So the next thing is the voice of the prophet, and this is a 3D text effect in which I've done it. So it's here. I'll attach it to it, and then if you need it, you can make changes. So drag that one and then position it at this point. All right, so position it here, and then you can reduce the size, or it's a must. Let's reduce the size. I think it's okay. Rather, the names and the image, we have to reduce it rather. Okay, so that it can fit that portion. Yes, and because it involves certain things, it has to take time to be effective. So this and this, I think all must go up a bit. Yeah, so we can have some space down there to put our details. All right, then the next thing is the theme and the rest of the details. But once again, as I've told you, this is my seller store. Yes, including birthday flyers, church flyers, wedding invitation flyers, and other things. These are 2026. This is a 2026 wedding invitation card I designed for someone. You can do them. Yes, you can do them, or you can purchase it and then make it a point. Sometimes this festive season as is coming, a lot of people will be getting married, and you need to do a quick work or a quick job for them, in which you don't need to waste time at all. But I've done it for you. Just pay it and then get it and edit it for the person for free. And these things are also PSD bundles. It's about 50 or so, which is also going for 20 Ghana cedis. This is just a promo. Just buy now and make payment, and then after making payment, you'll be directed to a link for you to download it and use it for free. And this is a channel as well. You can learn a lot from here, in which if you're a beginner, you can learn it. Most of them have a voiceover which guide you on what to do, how to do, and the requirements all is here. Now let's continue. So I'll pick the theme and then push it. No. Okay, So Control Z to undo it, and then let's see, we have this and then up to this. So I'll push all to this side. Yes, I'll push all to this side and then position it here. All right. So again, then let's put date, time, and the other details. Okay, the date, time, and the other details. So I'll just push all of it once, and then it should go. Yes, all of it once for it to go, and then position it here. Yes, this is assuming if these are the details from your client, then you can put them there. But if there are a lot of details from your client, then it means you need to group certain things. Yes, group them. Let's group this ones. Let's group this one, Control G. And then if there are a lot of details, then it means the names and the images must go up. When it goes up, you will get enough space over there. And then this two must also go up, and then this two must also go up in case you have a lot of information from your client to be placed on the flyer. Then you can position them that way. But if the space or the flyer does not involve a lot of information, then I think some form of briefing space should be there so that the flyer will look attractive. And after that, you add your color lookup again, adjustment layer, color lookup, and the same procedure to go and add your color lookup, the last color lookup, and then load it on it, and then go to the blending option here and place it, go through, and I think this is awesome. So a lighter color is also okay. Then place it this way. Guys, this is how I was able to achieve this awesome flyer. And don't worry, I'll share the text effect for you so that in case you want to edit it and then make it something new out of it, you can do so. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel, like, share, subscribe to this channel, like and share, comment, and let me know how this tutorial has helped you in any way or other form. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Until then, stay safe. Bye for now.